What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we are taking the one and only Santa Claus and make him as cool as he can be. First, I started with a Google search, cool Santa, just to see what was out there. And this is what popped up. As you can see, it is Santa Claus, maxing and relaxing. So my job is to take what I see and create something totally brand new and different from what's out there. So these are the 4 reference photos I landed with. Regular Santa Claus, I decided I'm gonna put him in like a muscle shirt and throwing up the rock and roll sign. So once I decided on that, I opened up Procreate and I got to work. And as you can see, I'm laying the body position out right now. I want it from like the elbow up so you can see the rock and roll sign. And not a full profile, but his head is kind of tilted to the side a bit. So that is the position I went with. And I decided I'm gonna, of course, give him the classic beard. That's why I wanted to establish where his chin was. You know, before you do all that, you want to make sure you have the structure of the face down pat before you put the covering or whatever is on top of it. Because that is going to enhance and make everything appear as natural as can be. Nothing out of place. So once I had that, I just wanted to make sure I put all the pieces in that I wanted. As far as the rock and roll sign, the shirt he's wearing, and we're gonna make this Santa Claus as badass as we can. So once I had those structures down, now it's just time to erase and clear up any overlapping lines. And I decided my Santa Claus, I will put a pair of shades on him. But I wanted a little, of course, you know, off the eyes. Hang in there. So I thought I was gonna just make it an all black shade. Then I said, hey, this is Santa Claus. Let's go with a pair of red shades. So we are coming back and correcting all that. And boom, it's already coming together. Let's get the tinted shade part. Get that going, some highlights on the shades. And the shades, I did it deliberately on another layer on top, just so it wouldn't interfere with the drawing itself, with the original drawing of Santa. So once I made sure I had the shades down pat, now I turned off the background layer just so I can see what needed to be colored, what was missing, and then we just got to work. And, you know, I'm going with the traditional Santa, but we made this one brolic. As you see, the shirt that I had in the reference photo, he is wearing, but I made it like, you know, Santa is cool like that. He got the sleeves kind of rolled up a bit. Now I created another layer on top, reduced the opacity, and we are just coming with the shadow. And it's always fun to do stuff like this because I have no idea how this drawing is gonna come out. I just went for it. And as it's coming out, I'm really liking how this is just totally different of everything I saw online. My Santa is definitely looking, you know, as cool as can be. And there we go. We're just getting some of the shading on under the glasses, on the hair, the beard, the eyebrows, inside the eyes. Of course, you know, once you add in the shadow, that adds to the effect and the overall look you're going for. Now we are coming with some highlights here. And from what I saw, I wanted mine to be able to stand with what already exists, but on its own. And when I did the search, I didn't see any with a mohawk, but that popped in my head to just give him a mohawk. So I'm definitely feeling my cool Santa Claus. And you're just tightening up the shadows. And final little touches here and there. He is definitely looking rude. Get some of the knuckle detail done. I decided I wanted to bring the shadow up from the hand a little bit, show some veins in the hands itself. And that is the final touches. And there you have it, folks. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know. Leave me a comment. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.